Okay, this is a problem that I've noticed recently. I don't know if it's a new problem or not, because I don't normally idle much in this car. It does mainly highway Ks, but it doesn't normally idle and keep getting hotter and hotter. By the looks of it, I believe perhaps the viscous fan isn't cutting in, because if I let this idle, it'll just keep going up, 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 no end. I think I first noticed it got to 97. So now I've avoided idling and just do highway runs. I've just driven at highway speed all day, no problem, normal operating temperature. I've just pulled in my driveway. It's gone 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. You can see 95, that's enough for me. I'm gonna pop the bonnet, check the fan and switch the engine off, because I don't really want it getting this hot. It's not good, for the record. All I've done is pop the bonnet. You can see it's still going up. If you look at the temperature gauge, you're probably not going to see much going on there. That's why I say to people, everybody should have a scan gauge or something like that, because look, everything looks normal, just like many other makes and models. Let's see what happens at the fan. Here we are, the big Nissan V8 that's done 22 or 23,000 k's of highway travel only, lots of oil changes. There's plenty of coolant in there. It's not overheating on the highway, it's just an idle issue, which sort of says to me that this fan here can easily be stopped with a screwdriver like that. You could just put your hand in there. At this temperature, I shouldn't be able to spin that fan backwards the wrong way. I'll put my hand in there like this and just hold it, okay? That is one stuffed Nissan Patrol, bada bing, bada boom. Careful what new cars you buy, stick with the Prado 1KD, or even the 1GR for that matter, last of the best. And there it is at 98 degrees. It's got absolutely no cooling ability because there's no airflow. I'm switching it off, not good. Yeah, just for anyone's information, it's a 2025 Patrol, 24,000 Ks on the clock. Always garaged, stock standard as far as mechanicals go. It's had about 5 oil changes in that amount of Ks. It's done only highway driving. And I put out another video a little while ago where I first noticed this happening. I put it down to it could have been a one-off. I always do highway Ks. The temperature sits in the mid-80s as it should, no problem. If you give it a bit, it might go up towards 90 momentarily, but it never goes near 95, 98. It's relying on the engine fan. So we've got a playlist on this Nissan Patrol. We've got a lot of playlists. And if you like the information, subscribe, turn the bell on. You don't want to miss it. It's just really accurate information that you won't get anywhere else. Now the cooling system, it's really simple. Most people get it. But you've got coolant in your system. You've got a radiator that takes the heat out of it. You've got a thermostat that controls the flow. You've got a water pump that pushes it around. And when the vehicle's moving, that's the only time the engine fan's needed. When it's not moving or at slow speeds, because you need airflow through that radiator to cool it down. Now, highway speed, the fan doesn't need to do anything because the airflow of the vehicle moving does the job. When you get into traffic is when you're going to see these issues with fans like this. If it's not working, it can't keep its cool in the while it's not moving and that sort of thing. So on a lot of vehicles, there's a separate electric aircon fan for the aircon. Switching the aircon can help. The other solution for the problem temporarily is you've got to get out of the traffic. You've got to keep moving, or you've got to switch it off. You can't be sitting there letting that just constantly get hotter, hotter, hotter. And after you switch it off, it probably gets hotter again. Anyway, more info to come. Check the playlist if you want more on this one and all the other playlists. Subscribe, turn the bell on, and we'll catch you on the next one. See ya.